Staying organized at work is essential for achieving your goals and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Whether you work from home or in an office, there are several steps you can take to maximize your productivity. In this article, we will discuss the importance of organization and share 10 tips on how to stay organized and efficient at work. The importance of organization cannot be overstated. A disorganized work environment can lead to procrastination, missed deadlines, and an overall feeling of being overwhelmed. To avoid these negative outcomes, it is essential to take active steps to limit distractions and declutter your mind. By following a few simple tips, you can make the most of your workday and achieve your goals. 10 tips for staying organized at work. Make to-do lists. To-do lists are a simple yet effective tool for staying organized. They allow you to visualize and prioritize your tasks so that you can get the most important tasks done first. Try scheduling the various tasks you need to complete before the end of the day to prevent procrastination. Triage priorities. Triage is a term typically used in a medical context when too many patients need attending. We recommend you triage your to-do list. List all your tasks, and then categorize them so that the most important tasks are done first. This will help you stay on top of essential tasks and prevent you from spending too much time on low-priority projects. Make daily, weekly, and monthly plans. Knowing your goals is an essential part of achieving them. Take some time to think about your long-term goals. Where do you want to be in a year? In 5 years? What about 10? Breaking down your long-term goals into smaller, short-term plans can help you continuously work to accomplish them and make the overall process less overwhelming. Use online or paper planners. Writing things down helps. If you prefer writing things by hand, you can use a paper planner, or if you prefer keeping things digital, you can use a simple tool like Google Calendar or Evernote. Delegate work. Delegating work is essential for staying organized. It allows you to focus on the tasks that require your specific skills and expertise while freeing up time for other important tasks. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking is a common cause of disorganization. Instead, focus on one task at a time and see it through to completion before moving on to the next task. Schedule breaks. Taking regular breaks is essential for staying organized. It allows you to recharge your batteries and come back to your work with renewed energy and focus. Establish a routine. Having a routine can help you stay organized and productive. Try to start and end your workday at the same time every day, and make sure to take regular breaks. Clean up your workspace regularly. A cluttered workspace can lead to disorganization and distraction. Make sure to clean up your workspace regularly to keep it organized and free of distractions. Schedule your workday in blocks of time. Instead of trying to complete all your tasks in one go, schedule your workday in blocks of time. This allows you to focus on one task at a time and see it through to completion before moving on to the next task. In conclusion, staying organized at work is essential for achieving your goals and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. By following a few simple tips, you can make the most of your workday and achieve your goals. Remember, learning organizational skills doesn't magically mean that you get your job done. You still have to push through the work and put in the effort, but with the right tools and techniques, you can do so in a more efficient and effective way. So, take the time to plan your day, prioritize your tasks, and declutter your work environment. Not only will you feel more in control of your workload, but you'll also find that you have more time and energy to devote to the things that matter most to you outside of work.